The story of Colonel Sanders, founder of the KFC restaurants, is, well, quite remarkable. His journey is filled with numerous challenges and setbacks that would have deterred many. At 5 years old, he lost his father, which forced his mother to work, leaving him to take care of his siblings. By 16, he had dropped out of school, seeking work to support his family. At 17, he was fired from 4 jobs, each dismissal a blow to his confidence. When he was 18, he got married and became a railroad conductor, hoping for stability. At 19, he became a father to a little girl, adding more responsibilities to his life. At 20, his wife left him and took their 1-year-old baby daughter with her, leaving him heartbroken. By 22, he had joined the army, applied to law school, and faced rejection after rejection from both schools and jobs, a testament to his perseverance. He then became an insurance salesman, another failure to add to his list, but he never gave up on his dreams. Added to his messy resume, he decided to be a cook, a profession he had never considered before, and a dishwasher at a small cafe, working long hours just to make ends meet. At 65 years old, he retired, feeling a mix of relief and uncertainty about the future. On the first day of his retirement, he received a check from the government for $105, a meager amount. What a slap in the face. He felt utterly disheartened. How could he survive on a $105 monthly budget, he thought, feeling the weight of his financial struggles. At such an old age, feeling like a total failure, he decided to commit suicide, believing there was no other way out. He sat under a tree, writing his suicide letter and will, reflecting on his life and missed opportunities. Then, all of a sudden, he thought of writing instead what he would have accomplished if he had another chance, sparking a new idea. Had he had the choice to start his life all over, he realized there was so much he hadn't done yet. One thing he realized that he could do like no one else actually. He could do it better than everyone else. That was cooking. Cooking the best chicken anyone had ever tasted. He borrowed $87 to buy a fryer and his recipe ingredients. He lived on his unique fried chicken recipe, trying to sell it door to door to his neighbors in Kentucky, as well as trying to license it to restaurants. He was rejected yet again. 1,009 times from the restaurants he tried to license his recipe, to the 1,010th restaurant that gave him his yes moment, KFC was born. Colonel Sanders' persistence and unwavering belief in his recipe finally paid off. At 88, Colonel Sanders became a multi-billionaire, and KFC became the second biggest food empire. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance and dedication. Now, KFC has over 20,000 locations in 123 countries. The brand's global reach is a reflection of its universal appeal and quality. Moral of the story: you have what it takes to be successful. Don't give up. Every setback is just a step closer to your ultimate goal. It's never too late to dream. Age is just a number when it comes to pursuing your passions. Go after your wildest dreams now. Take bold actions and embrace the journey. Believe in the quality of what you do and in yourself, no matter how many times you get rejected. Your belief and hard work will eventually lead to success. Make a difference and enhance people's lives. You can. You will. Live to inspire.